Nice. Okay, I haven't tasted it yet. So let's do my champagne, Gruner. What am I gonna choose? I think it's champagne. Do a little Gruner. And then maybe Chablis. Champagne, Gruner, and Chablis. So let's see. I'm hoping it's champagne. That would be the best case scenario. But obviously, asparagus and Gruner go really good together, so let's see how that goes.
Is that how they're going to serve it from now on? Or?
I don't know. They were playing around with it today.
Yeah.
It looks nice.
I actually like the first one.
Yeah, with the twill.
It was a pain, yes.
Yeah.
It was a pain.
Right. So this is going to be the first dish for our tasting menu. So we're going to kind of taste it and see. So we have a sabayon, we have some asparagus, a little bit of caviar. Looks like asparagus cream almost. That sabayon's nice and creamy. Well, the acidity with the champagne, it actually works really well. But you get that green note from obviously all the asparagus, so you do need. I do think Gruner is probably going to be the way to go. With that bite, had a nice amount of acidity. That's really good. The nose on Gruner it kind of represents itself well with green vegetables. Obviously, it's definitely a good pairing. Well, I haven't tasted this yet.
No. Also, we made an indifférent with no one. Thank you so much.
See, the burgundy works well with the sabayon because it's really that emulsion.
Yes, thank you.
But I do think that the Gruner ultimately is probably the better pairing. The champagne works though. I wonder what that is. That radish? Looks like radish.
No, that's radish.
It's pickled radish, right? Yeah, because there's a lot of acidity. It's nice. Because that's like a big component. The sabayon's pretty big. And as long as there's acidity, it doesn't necessarily need to be... Yeah, you know what I mean? As long as there's a pickled vegetable something going on, the acidity, it definitely needs it for sure.
That's gonna be this.
Oh, so this is the new one?
Yeah, it's gonna be the new one.
But it's
Same company.
yeah, but just the sabayon's going to be on the side. Or you don't know yet. You're just kind of like guessing.
That's why I came. Well, the gelée, it will be caviar and salmon, smoked salmon.
Okay.
Raw, but you get this.
It looks really nice.
But the sabayon, we need the sabayon.
Yeah, it's a huge part of the dish. I do agree with it.
Everything. Where can we put the sabayon?
What are you going to put, like a cassoulet on the side? Or do you have like a little...
Yeah, we can put the eggs, but...
Cool to have a plate, like something here that could actually house the sabayon or something.
Because we don't want to miss...
No, I agree. The presentation's nice. Yeah.
I like this
This one, yeah, it's nice, man. I agree.
Yeah.
They're trying to find out where the Sabayon is supposed to go there. No, but wouldn't it be a smart idea to fill one of these if you had a cylinder on this plate that you can eat it with and put the Sabayon inside of it? Like sideways in the middle or something like that, or wherever you want to put it. But if you make it a little taller and slightly wider, just fill the Sabayon inside of it so that you don't have to have anything on the side. You know what I mean? Unless you want something on the side like this, but this comes with the colors. That's the hard part. So if you make a cylinder anywhere on here, and you can make it maybe a little wider or just taller and fill it, pipe it with the Sabayon, it's in the dish already. I don't know if that's okay with the way that, and then you could also add,
That's a good idea.
I think it's,
Cool if it was like this.
Yeah.
So then you have the stripes around
And
this
then
in the
it's like
center.
maybe like this.
Yeah.
in like the middle of it, or you could put it anywhere
Like
ultimately.
almost like that.
Oh, dude.
That would have done.
Dude.
And then you just have the Sabayon.
And you can just fill it like that. But you guys are still, you're conceptualizing it, which is good. I think that this design looks really
This
nice.
is a good idea. I like that idea. Maybe it can be completely yellow.
So this, my apologies. So this comes apart pretty easily, right? Are these sections?
those
They're
are-
already
those are
sections that you can.
And
That's cool.
There's asparagus puree underneath.
I love it.
So it's just the sliced asparagus strips on top of the puree.
That's great.
This little bit, tiny little bit larger
Poke out in the center.
for a center.
Have
Or
the,
not, I mean,
have the brick dough ring in the center, higher. That's where the Sabayon goes.
Be cool. The tough part about the dish is there's that green bitterness that actually I don't think Gruner works with. I think champagne's probably better. No, the champagne. The champagne cleanses everything. It's really nice.